Food can fail even when the ingredients look right. The hidden problem is usually process, not effort. In this case, the carryover heat mistake that keeps cooking after the pan. That detail changes texture, flavor, and the final result before most people notice it. Home cooks often see the result at the end, but restaurants try to control the cause earlier. They watch heat, steam, moisture, fat, timing, and surface texture before the plate is finished. That is why the same food can feel precise in a restaurant and flat at home. The practical fix is not to add random steps. It is to read the physical clues sooner. If food is steaming instead of browning, change the pan conditions. If sauce looks oily, lower the heat and rebuild the connection. If texture collapses after cooking, let moisture escape before it attacks the surface. The payoff is simple, the carryover heat mistake that keeps cooking after the pan. Once you understand the clue, the recipe matters less than the process. Watch the next AMF channel video for another kitchen intelligence mistake explained clearly. That detail matters because why chicken breast turns dry before it looks overcooked is rarely caused by one dramatic mistake. It usually comes from a chain of small decisions before the food reaches the plate. Home cooks often notice the final problem, but they miss the earlier signal. The pan may look hot, the food may look cooked, and the recipe may look correct. But the texture is already moving in the wrong direction. Restaurants try to control visible food clue, hidden process mistake, restaurant logic contrast, practical home fix, before the visible failure appears. At home, the practical fix is to watch the physical clues earlier. Look at the surface, listen to the pan, notice steam, moisture, and resistance. The payoff is simple, the carryover heat mistake that keeps cooking after the pan. The important detail is that why chicken breast turns dry before it looks overcooked does not fail at the final second. It starts earlier, when the carryover heat mistake that keeps cooking after the pan changes the way the food behaves. Watch the physical clues: steam, surface texture, sound, moisture, and movement. Those clues show whether the process is under control.